Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. Today's video is going to be on this red cut crease with a little gold liner action. You guys really enjoyed this look that I did on Instagram, so I decided to recreate it in these colors. It's a little bit different, but almost pretty much the same. So hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, to start off this look, I'm taking Kat Von D's Outlaw Lip Liner Pencil, and I'm going to be drawing this in my crease. Once I have a line there, I'm going to be taking a dual fiber brush and blending out. I'm really working that into the skin so there's no harsh edges, and then I'm going to be setting that with a powder. Now I'm going to be jumping into the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet Fun Sized Palette. First I'm taking the Skin Tone shade, and now I'm going to be taking the orange shade on a MAC 217, and I'm going to be blending this into my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the red shade from the palette on the same brush, and I'm going to be building up that shade into my crease. And of course, a million steps of blending. And now I'm going to be picking up the raspberry shade on a pencil brush and adding this to my crease. And then, you guessed it, more blending. Then I'm going to take the P. Louise base and I'm going to cut out my crease. Then I'm going to pull the rest of the product down onto the lid and make sure it's all nice and seamless. Now I'm going to take that light bone shade and I'm going to pack this onto the lid. Then I'm going to pick up the raspberry shade again on a small angled brush, and I'm going to start my liner wing look. So I'm starting in the inner corner, and once I've built that up, I'm going to switch to the red and pack that on next to it. Then I'm just dragging this out. Then I'm picking up a sort of angled packing brush, and I'm just kind of smoking that out in a way. This definitely wasn't as nice as the first look I did with this, because I used concealer as my base and then I put the P. Louise base on top. I think that made it a little bit too dry. I would definitely go in with just one or just the other. So like in my first look, I only used the P. Louise base. So see how it's getting a little bit, you know, there? So now I'm taking Super Beauty's Gold Digger liner and I'm just drawing this right along there. That's it. Right there. Boom. Now I'm taking Jeffree Star's Drug Lord liquid lipstick, and this is my new favorite thing, oh my god. So I'm applying this into my inner corner, just blending that out so it's nice and bright and highlighted. And then I'm going to apply this Makeup Forever Starlit Diamond Powder. This one kind of shifts a little bit pink right on top, and it's so pretty. I love it. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D Outlaw Lip Liner again, putting this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be smudging it out. And then I'm going to use the shadows that I used up in the crease to smoke that out. And then I'm taking my angled brush and just making a little point there, and it looked really nice. Alright, then I'm popping on the Rouge and Rogue Electra lashes, and this is the finished eye look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I threw on the Suva Beauty. This is the Bisharam Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. Love it, love the color. This beret is from Nasty Gal, I'll link it down below. And then this is a wig, this fashion wig. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will hopefully see you on my next video. Bye guys!